Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just going to share another device. We started creating these, what they call pyramidal arrays. And I'm not sure, I think this was like the third or fourth in the series that the Pleiadians gave this information. I was very young. Fred would design these devices and I would actually build them. Originally, this device is called the Firestar. And this device was made with the larger pyramids that you see right here. And it was quite a large thing that would cover the whole wall. And they were very difficult to ship. They're quite delicate, they're artisan, they're handcrafted. And you'll notice that you can see I've created what is called a bloom of crystals. And in the center, we have the different colors so that this energy can be irradiated to you through the shape of this device called the Firestar. Fred Bell made a very small one, and I personally have increased the size a little more substantial. I've made them solid state. They're a little higher quality, and this is a relatively new development for me, and these are available as well on my website. And what this energy represents, according to the Pleiadians and Dr. Bell, is a spring energy. It's a life force energy that is pulsing out kind of like life force energies. One of our good friends and musician producers named David Tickle, who was working with A&R Records, has produced Rattle and Hum You Go in his thing. He's worked with so many people, you'd probably freak out, but he had one of these in his system, and it helps open up the throat chakra for singers, this energy. So we designed a specific one working on the throat chakra using a lot of blue stones in that frequency. So this device usually sits on the wall, and we kind of angle it, and you'll notice that again we're using the fishing lines, so it's a floating ground. This energy is not to be touching the ground. It's supposed to be suspended and aimed towards you. You can put this in your house in various locations, and in meditation it acts as a feedback to your various chakras and energy systems. And we have a higher technology with this that I'll be sharing with you in a minute, but if you face it outward, you can project energy. And the Pleiadians actually utilize this device to aid in their telepathic communication. And the reason I know that is because when I was very young, there was a man named Richard Miller of the Solar Cross Foundation. And the ETs, and it's happened to other contactees as well, they took his camera into outer space and they took a bunch of pictures. And I was looking at one of their pictures of their libraries on the Pleiades, and it was a giant warehouse room, and there were two ETs standing next to this particular device. This particular device right here is called the irradiator. But I was like amazed. I saw, oh, that's the device that we have up at Fred Bell's house that I'm creating. There was this device in this shape. So that's a little known fact. I haven't talked about that much, but that's the use of what I call, not the Midi, because I don't make those anymore. This is called the Midi Firestar. And we also make a very large one, but those have to kind of be made on site, or you live in the United States, or you have to arrange the shipping. It's quite difficult to ship and keep these intact. So if you want a small portable device that packs a lot of punch, you might want to get yourself a Midi, and we can customize the colors. And you look in here, there's a bloom there, and it's a beautiful device. It's taken me a lot of time and a lot of R&D and to get these out again, and I hope you'll enjoy the technology. And I want to thank you again for listening. My name is Rob Potter. The website's A Promise Revealed. Thank you.